Today's word is yam. It means the edible starchy tuber of a climbing plant, widely cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions, often confused with the sweet potato. Here are two examples using this word. In many West African cultures, yam is a staple food and is used to make dishes like pounded yam. The grocery store had both sweet potatoes and true yams, which have a darker, bark-like skin. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are tuber, root vegetable, staple food. Antonyms are fruit, grain, leafy green. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.